good morning, my YouTube fam Jan. It is day 2 today of the Royal Rally. We finished off last night in the beautiful Revelstoke, British Columbia, which I could be mistaken is the center of the Rocky Mountains. I could be mistaken. Anyway, you can see some of the cars we got out here last night. There's a few here, there's a bunch more on the other side we'll grab some shots of. Without further ado, we're gonna make way. So today we are off to, I think, Vernon, and we have a few stops. You know what, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where they are because they don't tell you. So if you missed the first video, the rally is essentially a scavenger hunt, and you don't know where you're going. You get a card at the beginning, you follow it, and kind of just gives you some hints and you figure it out from there. You can tell our elevation here, there's snow on that mountain, it's pretty high. It is a balmy like 5 degrees out here, which would be like, I'm pretty sure 40 Fahrenheit. It's not warm at all. I'm actually freezing right now. Anyway, let's get some breakfast, let's get some Starbucks, and let's get moving. Sir, just take that and grab the good old fashioned cold start for me.
Let's do it. Is that how we start?
Yeah, you ready? So that one's mine, bro. This one's yours. And that's Courtney's, just yesterday. Courtney has the most confusing drink in the world. It is a grande blonde roast, vanilla, cold foam, 3 shots of white mocha. Courtney, get your life together and order a double-double like everybody else. Yeah. Ron, that was smooth as shit, bro.
Yeah, I just figured that out.
So somebody's still half cut? You're doing good. Yeah. And is this Saved by the Bell? What do we got here? Cheerleader. Oh, I gotta get my costume. Hold on a sec. It's over here. Hold on a sec here. It's my shoes. Bettine. Come on, bro.
Bettine, I have your little
Barbie down there in Ken with the Barbie car. What else do I here?
I passed you guys.
Jacket. All right, stop 1 with my Surge here, which ironically is like across the highway from the hotel after we drove all over town looking for it. So there should be a wood plaque. Surge, there's one right here, buddy, by the wood head.
There was a warning sign.
A warning sign?
Yeah. Warning
drivers.
Motorists to
not to do this. A wooden head was placed alongside the highway as a sign to warn motorists of what? Ooh. The answer is not to be a wooden head and slow down. That's the answer, I think. It's just funny, we went touring all the way down there all over town, and we're across the street from our hotel. You sly Matt, I know your games. The only people here are these guys, everybody else missed it. All right, Serge, so you got the answers for the ski jump, right? You do. What are the answers?
The ski jump. The guy was offered a new car. They wrote a
no way.
New car. And then for dinner, they had turkey and ham.
Wow. Serge, look at this giant dam. Like, we're driving up the mountain right now.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Look at, there's a huge dam over there.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Good inside one.
Yeah, well, I don't know if we're supposed to be up here or down at the bottom where everybody else is, but look at that. You see that, everybody down there? Yeah, we'll turn around up here and park and get a picture in here. This is rad. You might have to get out and move some pylons because it looks construction-y.
Yeah, we're not turning into that. That's where he wants us to turn, right on the dam. Okay, Siri. Seriously?
All right, I want to show you guys this dam. We're gonna get out on the road over here. This is insane. Like, this ain't no Hoover Dam, but this is crazy. So look at the rock structure here, and they've got like the nets on there because that keeps rocks from falling on the road, right? But look how rad this is. This is so cool. Oh, that's where we're supposed to be down there, Sergis. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay, look how cool this is. Wow. Yeah. Okay, we're here at the Revelstoke Dam. I think we're the first ones here, Serge. What do you think?
I think so.
I don't think so.
Well, it's one way to find out.
For one way to find out, yeah. Look at the view though, Sergis. Look at the view.
That's sick.
Look at that. All the trees. How beautiful is that? All right.
Fresh air.
Where are we going for this next one? What's the hint?
So we gotta go in the dam and figure out how many truckloads it took to fill this whole dam up with concrete.
It's a trick question. How big were the trucks?
That is a very good question.
Well, that's like, were these half tons? Dump trucks?
Yeah.
Rock trucks?
Mini trucks?
Yeah. So,
Any
everybody's just rolling in here though. So
be our last car for now.
For now, there'll be more behind us for sure. Guys, the wide angle lens doesn't even do justice for how cool and big this is in the water, and we're gonna have to spend a few minutes here, Serge.
Yeah, I think 40 minutes.
40 minutes, okay. And it's not your traditional dam where it's got the gates that open, it's got like these big tubes. Oh yeah, look at. Let's go by CTSV guy and get a picture.
Yes.
Pretty rad. You got this dam here. Again, the wide angle is so sick. I've never heard an R8 sound so good. It's almost got like a Huracan Evo exhaust on it. But anyway, this looks super cool. But then look how clear that water is. Unreal, unreal. So there's all kind of cool stuff in here, right? All this vintage stuff. But this is rad. Super Mario 3, dude. Look at the old phone. You've never phoned anybody on a phone like that, have you? We're gonna go up the dam now, 30 stories. Oh, the donuts a guy could rip down there in his car. So good. It is cold down here, dude.
It is very cool.
And then we gotta go up 30 stories.
It's about 10 degrees right now.
Well, you're underwater right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Full view here. Oh, sick. Look at that purple C8 Corvette over there. Awesome. All right, so that was super cool, Serge. Impressive?
That was impressive.
That was impressive. Super cool stop. I really enjoyed that. I like man-made structures like that, so I thought that was rad. We're off to the ferry. We got to catch the ferry. We got to be there. Actually, we're ahead 10 minutes right now, which is unusual for us. We don't usually do that. And probably make a Starbucks stop. Then we're on right on time.
We still got some though.
That's what it's gone. Listen, I gave you an opportunity to go.
You did.
So look what you did. Come see what you did.
No, I'm so sorry.
But that's why I didn't change the windshield, because every f***ing rally I end up with a damaged windshield. Never fails. Another rock chip. Ben's SRT, this thing moves.
You gotta crawl under there for the full footage.
What is going on here?
There's a hole about this big blown out of my O2 bump. Like,
oh, really?
Here. Here.
Oh. Oh, and Mateen's under there? You're way too pretty to be doing that. Oh, man.
These were...
Is that the wideband or the O2?
No, it's secondary. These didn't matter. That's why there was the cheater.
Okay.
Oh, wow, that.
Tonight you get to hear the rest of it.
That's gone.
Yeah.
That's gone. Nice.
Well, you know what? Your exhaust will perform a little bit better now. Oh, I thought my spoiler was doing the job, but somebody thought we needed to. What in the hell is going on over there? Do you understand how I Rose was so happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt you all bricked up against my rear end.
Touring around on the ferry. I think everybody made the ferry though. And then some. Over 100 boat or cars on here, they said. Sturgis, look at this view, buddy. Look at it. Yeah. Look at the mountains. And look at that one over there. I think that's Rogers where we were yesterday. Yeah, this looks like it burned down at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool. But I think that's where we get off right there. Kids, this is how you throw away $2,000. Just you launch your drone on a boat. And it's gone. Made it lunch, Sturgis. Smells like lunch. Made it on time. Oh, watch this guy. On time today. It looks so cool. Yeah, look at this. This is a view. Look at this, guys. And with all the cars. I love this car. That's so rad. I love it. Yeah, all the cars here. Everything's looking good. Food smells good. This Lotus. Oh. The Lotus just bricks me up.
Yeah, and it's a stick too.
Oh man.
And look at that Porsche.
Yeah, I love the theme on the Audi though, the Barbie theme. I think that's super cool. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna get the big guy fed. And then start part 2 of today of day 2. Well, the start line has started forming. I don't know where my passenger is.
I'll ride with you.
Yeah.
I said, I guess the purple one's mine.
Yeah. All right, so we made it to this first stop after lunch. I didn't have time to video it because it was a 2-second drive, but apparently it's like a 100-foot waterfall over here I want to check out. There goes Goulet right there. I'm gonna play poker. I don't know how to play poker. What the hell? All right, well, let's see how this goes.
The map that they gave us was...
I know. Let's check out this waterfall. You guys want a picture? I could probably do that for you.
Just need a moment to reshuffle here, gentlemen.
Alrighty. Any three?
Any 3. All 3 count though.
All right.
We can't do 2.
That seems like a lot.
I'm over 2. So unfortunately, I can't give you either of us the point.
Oh no. 13.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Good
You
luck.
did okay. That's right. We're both over, right?
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
Yeah, all right. All right, we got a quick 15-minute stop here. We got to figure out this train one.
Yes.
Not everybody figured this one out, but it seems like a lot of us are here. And so what are we looking for, Sturgis? What's the question?
The CP snowplow was originally designed. What number? Not the number.
Service number? Well, everybody's reading a sign over here. Let's go check over here. CP. So this is our second ferry today. This one's a quicker ferry, small one. The problem is it holds 15 cars and there's probably 100 cars here. Tell me about your car, where is it?
My car is in Calgary right now.
Why is it in Calgary? We're in the middle of nowhere here.
Well, we're Team Top Gun, so it got a flight ride home in Vetus.
Yeah, and no U-turns this year?
Only 4.
Okay, well that's not bad. That's
not
a
bad.
start, it's an improvement.
Yes.
But why is your car in Calgary?
Because
You hit a curb.
The transmission went.
Oh boy.
Yes, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we had to drop it off at Golden Ford, and then Ford from Calgary came out and picked it up.
Oh, at least, so you didn't pay shipping?
No. SVT is gonna take care of all
Oh,
that.
well that's good.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
So it's over now at Metro
I was gonna get into Mateen's pockets here if we had to, but yeah.
Yes, so now we're bumming a ride.
Yeah, wow. Yeah,
Backseat drive.
at least we got a couple 4-doors around here.
Yeah.
So
yeah, the show is taking us around, and it's
these things
amazing.
are awesome. They haul
so
ass.
much fun.
Yeah.
$500 tool.
Yeah.
It's incredible. Yeah, this has been fun.
I don't think we're making the first, second, or third ferry.
It's a 30-car ferry, so maybe a second. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
You think there's only 60 cars there?
And it's a 5-minute ferry, so we should be.
Oh, okay, that's
not
right.
yet.
Yeah.
Twin turbo.
As long as dinner's ready when I get there. It's well, it's hot out.
How hot?
At least 30 plus whatever it is in this.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
It is very hot. And
Yeah.
you're not moving.
Not moving, although we're starting to move. I hear cars starting in front of us.
Well, they said this is a 5-minute ferry.
Well, we've been here 45 minutes, so
Exactly.
it's not a 5-minute ferry. But yeah, maybe the ferry ride's 5 minutes, but you got to account for loading and unloading.
Probably.
Yeah. So
Each way.
anyway, we're on our way to dinner. Do we have any more stops today, or?
One more stop on an alien site.
Oh right, the alien site. Yeah.
I think it's called
Matt-
a Lost Lake or something like
Matt likes aliens because the last 2 have had aliens too.
that. Oh, really?
Yeah.
And we gotta look for red eyes.
Red eyes.
The
Okay.
aliens
Okay.
Or something like that.
Yeah. And
That's a
then we got dinner, and then that's it for today. Oh yeah, and this is progressively getting worse in here. So. out how many I needed. I thought it was 1 point per alien, so I grabbed 5 of them. And it was like struggling to find one. You didn't find any. I came back with 5 of them.
So we're heading on the last stretch of the road here, about 100 kilometers.
Oh, Serge, look how romantic this is for us.
Okay, are you sure we can stay in the same room?
I'm concerned about the shower situation right now.
Holy smokes. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Look at the view. Jesus.
Okay, listen.
Oh, there's another Serbian.
Oh man, it tripped me out like there was somebody standing there. Hey, listen, you can have a bath here and I'll have a shower there, and then we have a view of each other.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
And this view too. Holy.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, the Okanagan Valley is beautiful. So for those unaware of where we are, I don't know if I mentioned it, we're at the, I don't think I did, we're at the Sparkling Hills Resort in the Okanagan Valley in British Columbia in Vernon. So there's multiple golf courses. I actually see 2 golf courses down here. And the area is well known for wine, fruit, everything. They don't really get a winter here. It's kind of crazy. I can leave home at -40 and come here to +20 in the wintertime, and it's like a quick flight. It's crazy. But yeah, you can see, it gives you an idea of the view. A couple golf courses, one here, one over there, one over there. Golf course here. Oh, that's sorry. And
Not a golf course.
yeah. Anyway, I am starved. Let's go get some food.
I'm hungry, yes.
And we will see you guys tomorrow.